Mainit na pinag-uusapan ngayon sa social media ang paglantad ng driver ni Rian Ramos. Ito ay para kasuhan sila Rian Ramos, Michelle D. at Samantha Pandillo. Ito po ay kinumpirma mismo ng Bureau of Investigation or NBI ang pagrereklamo ng physical injuries at illegal detention ng ang aktres na si Rian Ramos, beauty queens na sina Michelle D. at Samantha Pandillo. Ang nasabing complainant na pinangalanan bilang alias Totoy na hawak ng Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption or VACC ay driver at staff or PA ni Rian Ramos. Di umano, nag-ugat ang pagbubugbog sa driver noong January 17 sa residential condo ni Ramos sa Makati. Ito'y dahil sa nawawalang isang sensitibong larawan na nasa loob mismo ng ampaw. Tinulungan ng BACC na magpunta sa NBI si alias Totoy upang kasuhan sila Rian Ramos, Michelle D. at itong si Samantha Panlilio. Illegal detention at pangbububog ang ikinuwento ni alias Totoy. Mula sa The Philippine Pageantry, the case of the missing private and sensitive photo in an angpao. The driver of actress Rian Ramos has filed a complaint at the National Bureau of Investigation or NBI against the actress and beauty queens Michelle Marquez D. and Samantha Panlilio for illegal detention and torture. The driver alleges that he was illegally detained and tortured for him to produce the missing private photo of D that's in an angpao together with other private and sensitive photos of the beauty queen actress. This came 10 days after when he was brought to the police station by Michelle for the supposed missing sensitive photo where the Miss Universe 2023 top 10 finalists filed a police report and complaint against the driver of qualified theft. Meanwhile, the NBI has yet to identify charges against the women as they are in the middle of getting all in the information from the driver. In the complaint obtained by Inquirer Net, they accused the driver of pocketing one of her sensitive photographs. Complainant along with her lawyer and security guard confronted respondent regarding the photographs. Respondent then admitted that he stole the photographs from complainant's room without the latter's permission. Complainant explains that the photographs were kept inside an ampaw and originally contained 9 photographs. However, when respondent returned the ampaw, one photograph was already missing. A portion of prosecutor's resolution stated the allegation. When asked how the driver got possession of the photos, he claimed that his wife found a copy of the photo in an ampaw or envelope and prompting him to immediately call the attention of his celebrity employer. Ruling on the complaint, the city prosecutor dismissed the complaint against Totoy, saying there was no basis to effect the warrantless arrest of the respondent. There is no basis to hold that the crime of theft had just been committed at the time the complainant confronted respondent, the prosecutor said. Meanwhile, here's an issued statement of attorney Maggie Abraham Garduque, the legal counsel of actress Rian Ramos and beauty queen actress Michelle Marquez D. regarding the supposed illegal detention case filed against them. Our clients have not received a copy of the complaint allegedly filed against them before the NBI. They will answer as soon as they receive the copy of said complaint. As far as our client is concerned, there is no incident of illegal detention happened at Mr. Barro was a resident of the condo being the driver of Rian. The last incident of our clients with Mr. Barro was when Michelle D. filed a criminal case for qualified theft against him which he admitted and he even returned some of the items to Michelle. Thus, our client cannot think of any reason for initiating this complaint but a leverage and vindictive suit to set qualified theft case. Now, what's in the sensitive photo that is bringing all this mess to this woman? The Philippine Pageantry has acquired a supposed screenshot describing one of the supposed photos that was posted 2 years ago by a self-described pambansang marites. The veracity of this screenshot is still questionable as of this writing. Let us all save our judgment until the NBI issues the result of their investigation and until all sides are scrutinized. Lesson warning, no one should take sensitive and private photos of themselves, especially the minors, unless you are ready for them to become public. Narito naman ang naging komento ng mga netizen hinggil sa issue na ito. Anila, may issue na yan dati si Michelle sa dating driver nila before pandemic. Hindi daw nagbabayad ng tama tapos walang bayad overtime pag magdamag sa bar. Say naman ng isa, anong masama doon kung pareho, ba't pa ninyo ginawa doon sa pagpapahirap sa driver? Yari kayo ngayon at dapat makulong lahat ng sangkot at huwag sanang makuha sa areglo. Isang netizen naman ang sinabing gumagawa ng mga immoral na gawain, i-video or pipicturan at magmamalinis. Ang pagiging malinis ay hindi lang sa panlabas at imahe. Ito ay yung nasa kalooban at hindi nakikita physically. Dapat isinusulong ang values orientation sa lahat-lahat at ang pagbabasa ng salita ng Diyos sana maging requirement sa isang mamamayan ng bansa. Sana mabigyan ng hustisya ang nangyari sa driver. Mula naman sa ibang mga netizen, sinabing ang bababoy nung tatlo, threesome nila kasi ang nasa larawan. Sana ipalabas ang angpaw. Ang isa ay inalala ang blind item ni Sian Gasa tungkol diyan. Pinapahanap pa nga ito. Say naman ng ilan, dito natin malalaman kung ang batas ng Pilipinas ngayon ay para sa inaapi. Napanood mo ba yung balita? Sabi niya, tumalon daw siya sa 25th floor. May gamit na lubid. Oops, bakit may lubid? Doon, ibig sabihin, may pagnanakaw nga na nangyari at tapos gumaganti lang si kuya. Yan pa ang say ng isa. Nasa asawa nga ng driver, panoorin mo ang interview. Siyempre, pupwersahin siya noong dalawa na makuha yung skandal, malala ba naman? Wala rin makamit ang hustisya ni Manong driver kasi may impluwensyang tao kalaban niya. Suhulan lang ang mga pulis ng mga yan, wala nang mangyayari sa kaso. Pinas pa, sino pang mga kaawa-awang nilalang, yung pang walang katarungan. Napakarami pang ang say ng mga netizen. At narito pa ang say ng ilan. Anila, yung pictures na hinahanap ni Michelle at Rian, I'm sure is an explicit pictures nilang dalawa. Making it, kaya ganun sila ka-worried. Laban kuya, yung nangyari kay Vong Navarro, halos ganyan din. Maimpluwensyang tao ang gumawa pero kulong na ngayon. Ang kaibahan lang, may pera si Vong at daming tumulong. Sana talaga may tumulong din sa'yo para makuha ang justice. Una yatang nag-file si D ng criminal case versus sa driver pero it was dismissed due to lack of evidence yata. And now, the driver would be filing a criminal case against her, Ramos Pandillo, and other people involved. Wag one-sided. Anyway, sabi nga ng kampo ni Rian, hindi pa sila naglalabas ng kanilang side dahil hindi pa nila natatanggap ang nasabi nga pong statement o ang nilalaman ng reklamo ni alias Totoy tungkol sa tatlo. Yan ang ating Showbiz Snap Update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.